My name is Thomas Dambo. I am an artist from Denmark, and I build giant recycled wooden troll sculptures that I hide in the woods around the world. Mama Zelda is like a Mother Earth type of figure. She's like the kind nature, but also the wild nature.
It was a very collaborative and creative process. We had over 130 volunteers.
It always takes 1-2 years, but it's the last 3 weeks that are like intense with building.
Thomas Dambo's platform is built off of sustainability.
I like to start with the things that are on the ground and then just play with them like if they were Legos.
Mama Zelda is really made of pieces of our community. Part of the wood in there came from Low Mill, a local artist spot. The whiskey barrels that were donated from Jack Daniels up in Tennessee.
There's not perfect plans. He gets a feeling for a space and an inspiration with the people he works with.
We went out and then picked up a lot of branches and a lot of sticks and shoveled some clay, and then we actually made a physical model. And then that kind of then went into a drawing, and then we started building it here, and then it all changes again as it does.
It's different than any other troll project Thomas Dambo has done. He's never built a garden area, and he's never built a maze.
Her head actually has a planter up there, and we have planted it with vines. And one of those vines is going to grow over. It's going to give her highlights throughout the year because the seasons change.
This Mother Earth Troll Garden space takes you on this beautiful combination of living art through a garden space and literal art through sculpture.
We're really not going to do a lot of formal pruning. We're really just going to let it take over, be a wild space to allow for the wild art that is Thomas Dambo.
I want them to feel a feeling of wonder, connecting to that childlike feeling of magic is real.